Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dee Dee and I love to give unsolicited advice about fashion, beauty, makeup, hair, and stuff. And today is our continuation of the Trendsend saga. So I don't know if you guys remember, but last Trendsend box was a really sad disappointment. They sent me things that only a grandmother would love. Not a cool, hot grandma, but like a 90-year-old grandma. Not that there's anything wrong with being a 90-year-old grandma, but that's the point where you just give up on fashion. And I felt like they did too. I know it's really hard to be a fashion stylist, but I think Trendsend really missed the mark last time, and I hope they tried harder this time. I asked for beach-related things, so hopefully this will be kind of beachy, kind of flowy and boho-y, and that's basically what I told them to put in there. So we'll see what they sent me. Yeah. I'm getting violent these days with these boxes. All right, so here she is. It looks very light colors, a light palette. I don't want to read this. I feel like there's gonna be too many spoilers. Heating up summer style. I will read this in a minute. Oh wait, I'm gonna read the note. Happy Trendsend Day. I loved putting this beach box together for you. I hope these pieces are what you are looking for. Have fun trying on and keep in mind you can exchange sizes at checkout if you need to. Enjoy. So this is, oh, there's a few bundles in here. Oh, I see. Okay. There's this is what we'll start with. Let me move the box. Okay, I am liking this. I like the tie-dye and I like the color, and it's a chaser top. Hopefully it'll look cute on me. This is scaring me. What is this? Oh, shorts. Okay. All right. Shorts? Yeah, they're shorts. All right, we shall try these on. It's an entire outfit. It is beach themed. Next little bundle. So the first thing that I'm picking up here is the cloth and stone top. It looks like it's linen. Linen is great. Keeps you nice and cool. I like it. I like the, it looks big, but you know, gotta try it on. Okay, this next thing is LNA. So it's like this cutout kind of top. It's interesting. I like it. I guess you could interchange the two. Oh, this is cute. This is a skirt. Very flowy and cute and summery, which is good. This is way better than last time, I have to say. Way better. Last bundle. Uh-oh, it's a onesie. Okay, this is like a jumper, like a onesie. I don't do onesies. I don't like taking all my clothes off to go to a public bathroom. So this is something that, you know, I'll try on, but not a fan of onesies. I had one time and I hated that I had to like take the entire thing off for all to see, because you know, in the women's bathrooms, I don't know if this is in men's bathrooms, women's bathrooms, they have a gap like this and a gap like this when you go to the bathroom, so everybody can see everything when you go potty. If you're taking everything off, it's just too much. That's not my thing. All right, so this is, okay, this is a dress, I hope. Yes, it is a dress. This is cute. Tie-dye. This is very beachy. And it's got little pockets, so that's cool. I like that. All right, there's a lot of stuff to try on this time, huh? Okay, what is this? This is another dress. Well, check it out. I would say this is more like a cover-up because it's quite see-through and it's quite large. But I bet it'll look cute. We'll have to see when I try it on. We've got lots of stuff to try on, so hang in there. I'll be right back. So this is outfit number 1, and I have to say I like these shorts. So the brand is Rowan and Ryan, and this is the Mara Gauze short. I wasn't 100% like, oh, they're great. You know, I was like, oh, they're okay, but I tried them on and I think they look good on me. They have like nice waist, you know, when you want to eat some ice cream. If I had to guess what the price on these are, I would say maybe like 60, but we're gonna find out in just a sec. They're 68. Wow, I was really close. Now I know that if I get 4 or more things, I will get 10% off. So 10% off of these, it would be like, well, 60 bucks, just like I thought. I like them, you know. Only thing I don't like is this, but you know, who sits down anymore anyway? So the top is the Chaser Canyon Raw Edge Tank. And I like Chaser, and I always say this, I'm just not sure that Trendsend is getting the right Chaser tops, because I don't feel like this is like, I don't know, I just don't feel like this is like nice. It's cute, but it looks like you could buy this at Target for $12. And how much is it? It's $54. I don't think it's worth it. I think it's cute, but not for $54. If it came back and said $28, I would still not think it was that cute. Because I just don't feel like this is like flattering on me. I don't feel like it's like the best top that Chaser's ever made. But yeah, but I like the shorts. I might get them. I might. Depends. And I'll be back with the next outfit. So this is outfit number 2. And this is the Cloth and Stone. It's like the V-neck, sleeveless V-neck smocked top. Now, it is linen, so very cool, good for the summertime. It's got a very kind of like, you know, carefree, boho kind of look to it. If you want to tuck it in, I've got a little trick. You go like that, and voila. I think the price on this, so it's Cloth and Stone, which is a high-end designer, and it is linen. I'm gonna say it's about $70, but let's find out what the real price is. Just in case you're wondering, my assistant shows me the prices after I try to guess what they are, so I can react to it the same time you are. Wow, I'm really good. $78. I think it's really nice. I like it. I like it. So the skirt, I like the skirt too. And you know, I always say I don't like orange, but it's not near my face. This is the BB Dakota high tide skirt. It feels good. I think it's silk, if I'm not mistaken. You know what? Let me check. Dry clean only. Whoopsies. It is 100% rayon, so I would have to say that this skirt may be about $60. And the price is $79. All right, it's still cute. I like it. I like that it fits me. I kind of like this look because it's very like, you know, I'm going to Bali. Just kidding, I'm not. Okay, I'll be back with the next outfit. This is called the LNA Durante Tank. I think it's cute, but it looks like something that I would have bought from BB back in the 90s, if you know what I'm saying. The thing that I don't like about this, well, it's not really my style anymore. I don't dress like this very often, but there is a seam right in the front, and that to me is just not very well made. Now maybe I'm not wearing it correctly. No, I'm wearing it correctly. The tag is in the back. Now I would say that this top, if I were to see it hanging somewhere, I would guess that it was like $29.99, but it's probably more like $49.99. So the real price is, you gotta be kidding me, it's $88. And that sounds like a BB kind of price too, doesn't it? It's not worth $88. It's not sparking joy. She's going back. It's not made very well. All right, next. Okay guys, this is called the PEYTON JENSEN Stasia Surplice Romper. What a mix of words there. It's cute, and if you're into rompers, then this is for you. The good thing about it, it's got pockets. The bad thing about it is you have to take this whole thing off to go to the bathroom. I know some people are more talented than others. They're like, maybe they pull this aside to go pee, but I'm not doing that. No way, no how. But here you go, for those of you who are interested. I would say $65 to $70 for this. Now, the real price is $88, which is still okay, but yeah, I don't do rompers. The pattern's kind of cute, you know. It's got pockets. Not a fan. All right, so this is the next to last outfit, and this is the SUNDRY weekender dress. And when I first looked at it, I was like, I don't know about this, but I put it on and I am loving it. I first of all, it's a dress, not a romper, so I don't have to take the whole thing off when I go pee. And it has pockets, which, you know, pockets, right? And I just love the way it fits. I think she's a keeper. Normally, if I saw a dress like this, I would expect it to be like around the $80 mark. The real price on this is $98. So that's a little steep, but I think it's well worth it because it's beautiful and the color looks nice and it feels good. If I buy 4 or more items, I get 10% off. So I'm just gonna have to see what the price ends up being for everything that I'm thinking about getting. But yeah, I think it's adorable. It's just so easy, you know. And I noticed that like right now where we live, it's like 90 something degrees, and I can't imagine what it's gonna be like next month. Probably gonna be like in the hundreds. So stay cool, my friends. Last outfit coming up. So this is the last outfit. What is it called again? This is the BOBI Gauze Maxi dress. I think it's cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. I am kind of short, so this is even adjusted because you can adjust it. I like it, but I wouldn't say that I am in love with it. Plus I already have a white maxi dress that I'm just like in love with. So if I feel like I have to wear a white maxi dress, I would wear that. If I lived at the beach though, 100% of the time, then I would definitely get something like this probably because I'd just be on the beach all the time. Anyway, what I think the price on this is, I wanna say it's probably like 100 and something because I think that that's what I would see. If I walk into a store and I see this, yeah, I can see like 100 something. So the real price on this is $89, which actually is not that bad. So it's cute and it's not as see-through as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, this is her. I'll be back with final thoughts. All right, guys, back for a final recap. So of the things that I'm getting, so if I got all 5 items, the total price of that would have been $555 minus the $20 styling fee, which came to $535. If I got all those items, I would get 10% off, which is $53. So the total would have come to $482. However, I am not buying all of the items, but I am buying 4, which is probably making up for the last time where I only bought 1 item, and that total comes up to $273. I enjoyed this box way more than I did the last one. I thought there were some really cool pieces in there that are classic yet boho. Well, boho's kind of like a classic look anyway. I think that I will wear them to death. I really went a little bit out of my box this time because I did get things that I absolutely don't have, and I think that's good because I really need to stop buying the same thing over and over again. Like, how many pairs of blue, light blue mom jeans do I really need, right? So this was fun. They redeemed themselves this time. They did a good job. I'm really happy. Leave a comment below and let me know if there were any items in this box that you would have kept. Anyway, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!